In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop notifications or alerts from Audiolab app. So if you are receiving a lot of notifications or alerts, it's pretty simple. Just let me show you how you can stop this. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to do this, you need to go ahead and access the app info page. And for this, just go to settings, and under settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Under apps, choose manage apps or all apps, and this will go ahead and list all the apps you have on your smartphone. So for this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this tutorial should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now from the lists, you should be able to see Audiolab app here, or you can also search for your app using the search bar here. So if you tap on it, you can see now we are on the app info page, and this is where we shall do our settings. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go to your apps and then just long press on your app, and you should see now app info here. If you tap on it, it will take us to the same app info page. Go to this permissions section, and under it you should see notifications. You can see currently notifications are on, and that's why you are receiving those pop-up notifications. To turn them off, go ahead and toggle off these show notifications, and all the other types of notifications will be muted or will be turned off. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications unless you go ahead and turn these on again. So that's how you can disable or you can stop pop-up notifications on Audiolab app permanently. If you have any other questions, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.